G'day, it's Chris O. I've spent a day on this job now. It's a backyard patio. Yesterday I didn't come here because the weather was bad, but now today I'll be finishing off the fullies and then I'll be doing the cuts. Today's Friday, so Monday I'll be grouting it all. But yeah, a nice little suburban patio. They'll have a bit more sort of barbecue relaxation area, these people, once I've finished. So I'll get started. Hopefully I've got enough tiles. I should have scraped the glue off those the other day, but anyway, I'll use my cup grinder if I need them. I'll just grind the glue off with my cup grinder. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.